Hey guys, Stephanie Cavelli with My Favorite Travel Agent. Today we're coming to you from Haven Riviera Cancun, Suite 3017. Haven is a brand new adult-only resort. They just opened in October of this year, so everything still smells brand new in here. It smells wonderful. I'm going to give you a quick tour. This little cubby here is if you order room service. When you're complete, you just throw your dishes in there and they will be collected for you. I love that wall. Tons of luggage space. As you can see, we got a luggage rack here. Here's a huge spot. Here's a huge spot. And there's actually some more in the room as well. We have a coffee maker and a mini fridge, which we actually got into this room a little early. Yeah, they haven't been here to fill it yet. But that is traditionally filled with pop and beers. Let's take a look here at our closet space. We got our safe, plenty of big, deep drawers, and a steam iron. And here we have our robes. They are for sale if you wish to purchase them for, let's see, $150 US plus tax. Now, one thing that I think is just incredibly cool is this little feature. It allows you to connect to your phone's Bluetooth, so you can play whatever music you want while you're getting ready. Here is the bathroom. It feels pretty spacious. Here's a little area to get ready. We have a cute little shallow drawer there. Double vanity. And we have access to the same closet that we just viewed a moment ago, right there. And take a look at this shower. Actually, let's go in. We got a nice ledge, double rain shower. It's there. We got some little amenities and a handheld as well. So this is like really, you could have a party in here. It's huge. I'm going to slip you guys over here. I want to show you another cool feature of this room. Here's our shower again. If you want to have this open to bring in more natural light, you can. However, if you want to shower and get ready without the rest of the room seeing, you just pull that closed, which is a nice feature. We see a lot of bathrooms that have this, and it's transparent, and it gets a little weird when you have a group of friends traveling together and you're trying to get ready, but not an issue here. All of these suites that we're in, the swim out suites, have a king bed. And if I haven't mentioned it, this is a junior suite, partial ocean view swim out room. Here's a picture of the resort. Very, very spacious. And let's go see the pool area. Oh, they too have screen doors here. In case you like to fall asleep listening to the water, you can do that without any worry of mosquitoes. here's our swim out pool. Just beyond us is the Haven pool. It's a huge circular zero entry pool. Plenty of outdoor space. Let's take one last look inside here. Here we have it, the brand new Haven Junior Suite, partial ocean view, swim out suite. If you guys have any questions on this resort or others in the area, feel free to get in touch.